Hey everyone, what's going on? Nando Sirianni here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, I'm finally doing a hair tutorial video on how I get this hairstyle every single day. Now today is more of a drier look. So here I would use this style more for my street style shots, my casual looks, because it is more on the dry side. But if I am going to do more of a formal look, I would probably slick it back a little bit more with more of a wetter looking product. But today we're gonna be covering all of that, so stay tuned. All right, so let's get right into this volumized hairstyle. Now, two things that you need to start off is a blow dryer and this comb right here. This is gonna help push all those hairs back in order to get that volume. Now, I just got out of the shower, so I just shampooed and conditioned my hair. So yes, it is wet, so I'm literally showing you right from scratch. And not to say though, I actually just got a fresh haircut yesterday, so all these hairs will be going in the perfect direction now. Before I was trying to grow out my hair and it was just a complete disaster. So that's why I was waiting to do this video. So let's get right into it. I have nothing in my hair right now, it's just fully wet. So I'm gonna show you this from start to finish. Let's do it. Now that my hair is completely dry, you can already see that it is already nice and volumized. So I start off by doing this. I slick it completely back so that I can kind of decide which style they'll end up going with. So for today, I'm probably just gonna go with like more of a street style casual look. So I'm gonna go with more of a drier look in my hair. But if I was wearing like a suit or if I was going out to, a dinner, I would then put more of like a wet looking gel in my hair to give it more of a shine. It just really depends on the vibe that I'm going for. But right now I think I'm gonna slick this side back and then I'm gonna throw it over to my right side like this. So in order to do that, I have a powder dust. So it's called a powder cloud, and this is from this brand right here. I can link all of these in the description below. I don't know if that's focusing properly. I will link them all in the description below for you guys though to look at. Now I'm gonna literally use this powder and I'm gonna put it all in my hair like this, and that's gonna give it that thickness, and it's gonna make it very, very volumized like that. And that's how I get that kind of that volume drier look. And then I'll go in with the drier pomade gel just to kind of even hold it a little bit more. And it actually depends on what I'm doing. But sometimes if I'm doing photos and I'm out and I'm outside, this doesn't really hold my hair into place because of the wind and stuff. It blows it around. So I will put something in on the front, especially if I'm trying to achieve some look for a shot. But this is definitely the main ingredient in order to be getting this kind of style. So as you can see, I'm pulling this side back. And very, very important though that you guys should, if you do want to get this style, you guys kind of have to get your hairdressers to kind of also, cut the hair so that it can do this. Because right now I am in the process of growing my hair. So it is still a little bit awkward to kind of style. And it does get tough if you don't have the right products and the right materials in order to do it. But that is pretty much the base of this hairstyle, is throwing it to the side and kind of getting that little bit of split right on the one side of your head like that, just to have this kind of flow back like this. And this is honestly very, very easy, you know, to do. You can style this many different ways. You know, you can wear it casually, you can wear it more of a street style look. You can even pull this down a little bit more in order to get more, maybe if you want a little bit more messier look. But now I'm gonna go in with the Kevin Murphy like that. And this is a more maximal control texture paste, and just very little, because I want to just hold that into place. So now we're gonna spread that out and make sure you lather it throughout your hands. So from here, in order to get more of this to hold in place, I'm actually gonna start there, because I know that if I'm doing some photos, I do want that to hold its place, and then I'll run my fingers through the sides like that. And that powder stuff though is absolutely amazing, because it really holds the entire look together like that. So I would call this more of the dry, kind of high coif style, however you say it. That's what I would call this style, more the messy vibe. I absolutely love how this just kind of flows back, kind of separates the look like this. And also, again, very easy to style. As you can see, I literally just did this in like 3-4 minutes. Now, if you really wanted to make sure that this style does stay in place, you can put a little bit of hairspray in it just so that it really holds. So now I am using, again, this video is not sponsored by Kevin Murphy. I just absolutely really love their products, and I will link these all down below in the description for you guys to order. And again, before you put hairspray in, very important to cover your forehead, because sometimes, you know, even for myself, I will break out on my forehead if like I put, you know, by accident I sprayed on myself. So again, a couple just like that, just to kind of give it an extra hold. But again, that's pretty much the style right there, right? It's very easy. You can wear it out any time you want. But also, if you do want to do the style again, make sure you actually have quite some length on your head so you can achieve this look. Now, I am going to be growing out my hair a little bit longer for the winter time, so I might want to grow it a bit more on the sides here and get more of like a flow going back. So that's why I do have it cut like this. But I will do another video on how to do more of a slick back style. You know, if you're going out to a wedding or you're going out to some sort of more of a formal event, I can show you guys how to, you know, put this nice and tight and not have this, you know, so high up. So that would be another video that I can do to achieve more of a wet look. But for myself, this is pretty much the hairstyle that I rock all the time. Then you see me also rocking the hairstyle when I just have it down and messy. But right now it is a little bit too long to kind of do that. So I will be sticking more to this look here. But that's it. As long as you have the right products in your hair that you can use, that's the most important thing, right? And you also have to blow dry. You have to blow dry and make sure that it is on the heat part so that the hair particles actually stay in those positions. Like, I don't know if I just said something wrong, hair part, I don't know what I'm saying. But that does pretty much wrap up that video. Now, if you did really enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will do another video in the future on how I do the more of a slick back style. There you have it. The hair tutorial video on my YouTube channel is complete. Now, if you did enjoy this video, please do me a favor and smash that like button for me, as it really does help out my channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'm posting content like this every single week, and I'll see you on the next video.